Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we are going to explore the meaning of two words that may not be in your everyday vocabulary. Let's get started. First up, we have ritzy. Ritzy. Ritzy is an adjective used to describe something that is fancy, expensive, or luxurious. It's often used to refer to high-end places, things, or people. For example, the wedding was held at a ritzy hotel in the heart of the city. Here's another sentence example. The ritzy neighborhood was lined with mansions and fancy cars. Now, let's move on to adjure. Adjure. Adjure is a verb that is used to describe a serious request or plea. It's often used in formal or legal settings and can be used to make someone promise to do something or to tell the truth. For example, the judge adjured the witness to tell the truth. Here's another example. The politician adjured the public to vote in the upcoming election. So, there you have it, folks, the meanings of ritzy and adjure. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.